Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell located at the bottom of the screen so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I'm reviewing a lovely paper collection by CIAOBELLA. This is called The Sound of Summer. This collection came out a few months ago, and I'm really excited to have an opportunity to use it. This collection is available at ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 locations on the web and an Etsy store. Please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all capital letters, to receive a discount upon checkout. And if you spend $75 or more, you will automatically receive free shipping. This collection is the A4 size. They also have a 12 by 12 collection. Now, the great thing about this collection is that every element in this paper collection can be used. So on the front cover, you can use this little tag here, as well as these individual cut-aparts. On the back, you have this beautiful whitewashed blue wood panel, and on the bottom you have these fun cut-aparts. On the next page you have 4 cut-aparts. On the top you have the seagulls, a dock, as well as this very inviting couch. To the left you have more of this wood grain, some starfish and seashells. On the bottom here we have another nautical scene, and on the bottom, this is my favorite, you have this wonderful swing with these inviting pillows. I can imagine myself sitting here just dreaming the afternoon away. On the back you have this beautiful blue paper. In the background you have these music notes and you have clouds on top. The next page you have these wonderful cut-aparts. You have sea, this cute hook. This says The Sound of Summer. You have this sentiment here that says, "You may say I'm a dreamer." That's by John Lennon. And a variety of cute tags. This one says, "Learn how to find a little peace of mind. Enjoy the sound of silence. Enjoy the sound of summer." These are so much fun. You have another wood grain page, and this has a nice light hint of blue to it. We have another page of these wonderful cutouts. You have these portholes here. On the back, you have a page that looks like sand. We have more cut-aparts. This one says diary. The voice of the sea speaks to the soul. You have these large round cut-aparts which could be used on note cards, and several more tags. This sentiment here says, "Smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly." You have more wooden planks. This collection is packed with these wonderful cut-aparts. You've got this large tag here, "Find your happy place." And you have this beautiful whitewashed wooden page, and in the background they have tiny musical notes. More cut-aparts. You have more sentiments. "The sound of summer, time to relax, find your happy place." On the back you have more of a sandy wood grain page. More cut-aparts. I love these little seahorses here. And you have the smaller portholes. Here you have a blue and white stripe. On this page you have these beautiful scenes and more wooden panels in blue. This concludes my review of the Sound of Summer collection by CIAOBELLA. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please do take a moment to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.